Assalamu alaikum.
Hello traders. Before watching this video, make sure you have watched the previous video. Good money management digit match. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Here I will use a stake of 15% of the balance of $10 which is ready to be lost. If this first transaction is a win, then the profit I will get is 120%. It's easy, right, if we have methods and strategies that we understand and study well. Then it's easy. Okay trader, in this session what if the first and second transactions fail? Then for the third transaction make sure it is a win. Then the profit we get is still 100%, as long as we use a stake of 10% to 15% of the balance that is ready to be lost. And what if the target of 5 transactions in the first system is not achieved? Then do it with the second system. This is the importance of a method and strategy that we use with our money management system, so that it can help reduce losses that will occur when we trade in that session the pattern is not formed. And the point is, if the win target has been reached, then stop and continue in the next session. For my clients who already have my methods and strategies, try this system or any other method you use. And those of you who don't have the digit match method, please click on my website under the description. I hope this can help you master a method, so that take the risk. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.